for Learning Unit 1, we're going to be covering nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and also the fundamentals of nutritional assessments. We're going to start off with nutrients. We're going to talk about carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Hopefully some of this is going to be review for you. Hopefully actually a lot of this is going to be review for you at the very beginning of this first unit. But when you start off with those nutrients, with proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids, they're going to be written lectures that are going to be in Blackboard. So you're going to go in, you're going to read those lectures, and there is a quiz associated with that. It's going to be a timed quiz. And once you begin that quiz, you're going to need to complete it. One thing that's important to note about that section for nutrients is that you do not need your textbook to complete it, because those lectures are written and they are posted in Blackboard. So if you're awaiting your textbook during that first week of class, you can go ahead and complete that first assignment, that first quiz. As we move on through Unit 1, we're going to then cover the fundamentals of nutrition assessment. There's going to be a chapter reading for that, so in your textbook. And there's also going to be a supplemental video. And then once you complete that, you're going to have a graded essay question submission. So you're going to have several essay questions or short answers that you're going to respond to that covered the unit and submit those, or that covered the fundamentals of nutrition assessment section and submit those. Now, as we move on through Unit 1, we're going to then move to vitamins and minerals. So we're going to talk about fat-soluble vitamins, water-soluble vitamins, macronutrients, micronutrients. And again, I hope that some of this is review for you. Maybe some of it will be just kind of dusting your memory off a little bit about these. But that's going to involve a chapter reading, and it's also going to involve a supplemental video that you're going to view. And then upon completion of those, you are going to have essay questions to answer. So for Unit 1, nutrients, vitamins, minerals, fundamentals, and nutrition assessment, you're going to have a timed quiz, and then you're going to have two separate essay assignments that you're going to complete. Now, also for Unit 1, you're going to have a discussion assignment, and that discussion assignment is going to be available for you for a week. It will open on a Friday, and that following Monday, your response to the discussion question is going to be due, and then by the following Friday, you're going to need to respond to 2 other students. Now, it's important in your responses that you give a little more information than just great post, I agree, or I'm not so sure about that. But what we want to do is we want to be able to further discussion and kind of further our learning about the topic. So you want to be really thorough with your responses. There is a grading rubric for how you can earn points with those responses. There's also a grading rubric for the essay questions, and those are both found in a grading rubric section in Blackboard. So you might want to check those out before you proceed with those assignments. There is a test for Unit 1. It's a timed test. It's in 2 parts. The first part is going to be like a multiple choice true false section of the test. And then the other part's going to be more short answer discussion type questions. So you're going to have both parts of that test to complete. And that test will be available for the span of a week. So from a Friday to a Friday. And it will be timed. So both parts will be timed. So you'll need to complete those once you begin them. The due dates for all of those are going to be found in the due dates link. So it's important that you look at that you know when everything is due, and that you make a plan to complete everything on time. So just to quickly review for Learning Unit 1, we're going to start off with our nutrients, our proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. And then we're going to move on to the fundamentals of nutrition assessment, and then vitamins and minerals. You're going to have a quiz. You're going to have 2 different graded essay questions, or essay question assignments. There's more than 1 question for each assignment. Then you're going to have a discussion assignment, and you're also going to have a test. And the due dates are found in the due dates link. So once you get involved in Unit 1, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. Thanks so much.